Hey, Alex.
What's going on?
Whoa. So, I told someone on the channel that I would record this. It's just a difference between the all-wheel drive and the rear-wheel drive hub units for the wheel bearings. And so we've got this one right here. This one is for the all-wheel drive one. And so the difference between the all-wheel drive and the rear-wheel drive is that this one is going to be held in, being all-wheel drive, with the nut right here. And this is a 33 millimeter, I believe. It's a large lock nut, and it has a little cotter pin in it. So if you don't know what you're doing with this, don't touch it, but and go to a shop. But we're gonna be torquing this to spec and everything, and that's gonna be the major difference between the two. So yeah. Hi, Ryan. Cool. All right, just kidding. It is a 32 millimeter. It is a large socket. Yep, right on. For the cotter pin, you're just gonna need some needle nose pliers and just a tack. Yeah, I'm gonna do this now.
That thing's huge.
Yeah. Large cotter pin,
yeah.
Not one of the little dinky ones. All right, and so now the nut is exposed and we can totally just zap that off. Little W dizzle. 32 millimeter. Woo! Here we are. Cool. Alright. Then you just gotta separate this off and same job. I'll show you how to tighten it up to the right point, but yep. Another tip to get this off, in the other video I use a chisel, but you can put a tire on there and just kick the crap out of it and hit it with a 2x4, and that might budge, but you know. So this is one of the plans. A molly whopper.
Got my hammer.
Took the purse out.
I'll grab my glasses.
Safety first, guys.
Okay.
Yeah, it's hard to tell whether it's doing something or not, but
I don't think so.
yeah, well, hit it with WD and you might need a chisel. But anyway, that's the tip. Fun tip. Yep. It's off. It's over here. Do a comparison. Whoop. Alright. Yeah.
Yeah, reassemble everything.
Yep. Dust shield first, then it has this little cutout right here that the speed sensor is going to go on. Cool.
Just make sure it all lines up.
Yep. Yeah, just torque those up, 58 to 72 foot-pounds, and we'll put the speed sensor right back in. Woo. And bam. Cool. You gotta turn the wheel, and then you can access this last one. Make it a little bit easier on you. Yeah, last step, we've got the axle nut. We're just gonna put that on, and we're gonna crank it down.
So basically, the hole there is for your cotter pin.
Yep.
So you gotta make sure the axle nut goes past that hole so you can get your cotter pin through. If you can't get the cotter pin through, it needs to go tighter.
Yep, and so then you knock out the axle nut, and if you made it this far, you like the video, so make sure to smash that like button down below. Make sure to subscribe, share with all your friends. Lots more coming up. Awesome work, man. Cool.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Cool. Yas. Awesome.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below, and share the video. We'll see you next time.
Hold on. Woo! Yeah, you're good. All right, and the last step, we are back to the axle nut. Where is it actually?
Ran away.
There it is.
There it is.
Whoop.